principally the computer, to perform complex, time-consuming, and repetitive tasks faster, more accurately, and cheaper. Historically, since the invention of the abacus in the 13th century, people have been finding ways to increase the rate at which information can be processed. Dr. Herman Hollerith developed a device in the late 1800s that could code information into a machine. This device, called the punch card, had been first used by the United States Bureau of Statistics to process census information. It had been able to process 250 cards per minute. That's 3 times faster than by using conventional manual means. The punch card opened the door for the electronic machines to process information. The first electronic processor, a digital computer, had been the ENAC. Developed in 1945, ENAC relied on 18,000 vacuum tubes to perform switching and control functions. The first generation of commercial computers had been produced 5 years later. The first practical commercial computer, UNIVAC-1, weighed nearly 30 tons. UNIVAC-1 relied on vacuum tubes just as ENAC, but it had 2 significant factors that set it apart: its ability to store information and its ability to use language programming. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes in the late 50s, allowing for the computer to become faster, smaller, and more accurate. Computers in the 50s also became faster and more effective due to the advent of magnetic tape to replace punch cards for the storing of information and instructions. The 50s witnessed rapid and dynamic improvements in programming languages, input and output devices, and hardware design of the computer. The 60s and 70s opened the door to high-tech through component micro-miniaturization. Microchips and solid-state integrated circuits replaced the transistors. Storage and software capabilities increased significantly and rapidly. The trend toward the development of smaller, cheaper, more accurate, and more capable computers continues today at an ever-increasing rate. Advances in the computers of today are subject to immediate change. The dynamics of computer technology state-of-the-art focus on satisfying the ever-increasing data processing and management needs of our contemporary society. Over the next 4 days, I will be examining these needs, and I will be talking with some experts in the field of computers as they relate to schools, industry, and home. And we'll be taking a look at how the computer is being utilized today and the possible uses of the computer in the future.